What's the meaning of Bloody Sunday? Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday.
Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday refers to several violent incidents that have occurred throughout history, but one of the most notable was the Bloody Sunday of 1972 in Northern Ireland. On January 30 of that year, British soldiers opened fire on unarmed civilians during a peaceful civil rights march in Londonderry, killing 13 people and injuring dozens more. The event led to further unrest and violence in the region, exacerbating tensions between Catholic and Protestant communities. Today, the phrase Bloody Sunday is often used more broadly to refer to any violent event where innocent people are needlessly injured or killed, regardless of the specific context or location.